Hello, in this video we are going to evaluate with our calculator. This is 3 power 13 minus 3 power 12. Let's start by expressing 13 as summation of 12 plus 1. So this is 3 to the power of, instead of writing 13, we have 12 plus 1, that is 13, minus 3 to the power of 12. Now, if you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. That is the identity we are going to apply here. So we have 3 power 12 times 3 power 1 minus 3 power 12. What you can see from here is that this and this are common, so we can take it out. We have 3 power 12 times. We can divide this by 3 power 12, so we have 3 power 1 minus 3 power 12 divides 3 power 12. We have 1. And from here, we have 3 power 12 times 3 power 1 is the same thing as having 3 minus 1. The next step will be for us to have our 3 power 12 times 3 minus 1 is 2. So we need to find the value of 3 power 12 times 2. What is the value of 3 power 12? Now I can express this as 3 power 12 is the same as 10 plus 2. Then we have times 2. And recall this identity again. A power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here, we have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 2. So from here, we have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 is 9 times 2. So from here, let's find out the value of 3 power 10. 3 power 10 is the same thing as having 3 power 5 times 2. And if you have a power x times y equals a power x times, this is raised to the power of y. That's the identity. So we apply it here. That means you will simply have 3 power 5 raised to the power of 2. And from here, we need to find the value of 3 power 5. This equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 7 times 3 81 times 3. This is 243. So this is 243. So we need to raise it to the power of 2. So we have 243 to the power of 2 is equals 243 times 243. And from here, we can multiply it out. We can have it as 243 times 243. So we have 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. We have 4 times 3, 12 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Then we have 2 times 3. We have 6, 2 times 4. We have 8, 2 times 2. We have 4. Then we add up everything together. The 9, we bring it down here. This is 4. This is 20. 0 carried over to an out here. This is 19. And this is 5. 59049. That is 243 power 2. That means this 3 power 10 is what? 59049. So we need to multiply that by 9 and by 2. So that means this implies we have what? 59049. That is 3 power 10 times 9 times 2. So let's multiply this by 9 first. So 59049 times 9. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carried over 8. 9 times 4, 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carried over 4. 9 times 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carried over 8. 9 times 5, 45 plus 8, we have 63. This we are going to multiply by 2 for our final answer. Let's multiply this by 2 to get our final answer. That is perfectly 441 times 2. So you have 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 4 again, that is 8. Then we have 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. 2 times 5, that is 10. So this becomes our final answer. So final answer is, this is 1,062,882. 1,062,882. That is for 3 power 13 minus 3 power 12. This equals 1,062,882. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and see you again in our next episode. We appreciate that. Thank you and goodbye.